Goddamn DJ with
So, on today's episode, putting together a 6.1 Hemi. There we go. Now let's hit on there. Alright, threw the head on. Tighten up that bolt. Tighten up all the head bolts in this sequence. Got the passenger side on. Which on there. Now this thing got like what, 20 foot-pounds of torque. That ain't shit. So it's perfectly safe to use this on these. It's weak as hell. Alright, now it's time to torque these bad boys down. First you gotta do a 25 foot-pound torque to each head bolt. Now that you got all these head bolts torqued down to 25 foot-pounds, now you gotta do 40 foot-pounds. That thing on there. Now, once you torque down each head bolt on both sides to 40 foot-pounds, gotta do like a 90-degree turn. And this shit hurt. When I tell y'all this shit hurt, this shit hurt. Shit so fucking tight. It's crazy, bro. See, I'm shaking this shit. Here we go. This other one, same exact way. On the head, nigga. Gotta clear it. Come on, bitch. That's 90. Boom. Alright, got the heads down to torque properly and shit. And to cambio car, you gotta take off OU pump, this crank bolt, and these screws out the pan. I have a video up already. I'm gonna show y'all. OU pickup tube. Take off these 4 bolts and then pull off your whole OU pump, and then tighten up your fucking chain, shit, timing chain. It's a pin right there. You just throw a pin through there, then it'll stay like that. Take this shit off, this bolt off, then this whole thing will come off. And then you spin your cam left and right to push up the lifters inside the board. And then when you're ready, just yank that cam out and then come out that way. It go right to the lifter. See the lifter? That's the lifter right there. That little, another little thing. That's the lifter. I got the push rods on. Intake push rods are shorter than exhaust push rods. See, look. Intake, exhaust. And then go right here, these hot holes for the rocket arms. There's an eye for the intake, but then the exhaust has nothing on it. Get the push rods on, get the rocket arms. Tighten them down. Now that you got the rocker arms on and the push rods in, throwing the valve covers. That one's on already. Finish throwing this one on. But then he throw on the coil packs. I did that side already, not this side. And for those of you who do not know, Hemis take 2 plugs per cylinder. So that's 16 spark plugs. Tune-up should cost $130 just for the plug. Unless you go to the dealer, $250 easy plus labor. But it's easy as hell to do. They just bust your head just because they can. And no, honestly. Now the coil packs on, time to throw on the intake manifold. Now I told the customer to get a new intake manifold gasket, but they bullshit and bought the wrong one. After I said the intake manifold, not the exhaust. Those are exhaust, these are intake. I don't really recommend this, but shit, you gotta take the motherfucking intake off anyway to throw the motor back inside the car. So let me just go ahead and put that up in there like that. Like that. That's in there like that. Alright y'all, I got the heads on, the intake manifold on. Just need to throw on the front timing cover and take this fucking crank bolt out. Bingo. Throw it on like this. Oh. First of all, make sure these motherfucking things down. First of all. There we go. Got it on. Well, just seated up there. Front timing cover, or your water pump pulleys and shit. This is what y'all see on the outside. Take off this thing. Boom. Cam set, timing. And I just throw it back together like, hey, I'm done with it. Come get it. If y'all want me to cam it, you gotta pay me more to take all this shit right back off. There I go. Oh yeah, and I took off the manifold to throw in these bolts. But they ain't got all the goddamn bolts. So shit, I should have just left it on. Fuck it, but oh well. Easy peasy, lemon fucking squeezy. At least for me. I can teach y'all. And boom, just like that. Everything on that thing.